Hi, my name is Ariel and I'm an art instructor at our Sika facility at Able Artswork. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make macrame pot holders so you can hang your pots from anywhere. Three things you're going to need is yarn, pair of scissors, and a pot. We're using a mini pot today, but you can use a larger one. First thing that you're going to do is you're going to get your yarn and you're going to want to make it double the length of your pot. So as you can see, this pot is about, and if you can see, the length of my forearm. So we're going to make it twice. Get the yarn, go twice the length of my forearm, measure that out, fold it, do it again. You're going to grab your scissors, cut that, and then you're going to do it again 2 more times. So 1, and 2. Cut that even. Then we are going to get the yarn, fold it in half, and tie a knot at the top. Just like so. This is your loop at the top. It can be big, it can be small, does not matter. So then we're going to grab 2 strings, going to go down about halfway. You're going to tie a knot. You're going to do this 3 times. So grab the next 2, grab this knot so you can keep track of where your first knot was. They need to line up. Tie your second knot. Make sure that it lines up with your first knot. And then do the same thing with a third knot. 2 strings, tie them together. Make sure they line up with your other knots. You're going to grab 1 string from 1 knot, another string from a second knot, and you're going to tie them together. So when you're done, it should have a little V. Then you're going to get a second string from one of the first ones and another string from this untouched one. You want to make sure that they're all next to each other. So grab one of these and one of the ones that you didn't tie and do the same thing. Tie 1 more time. Again, you want to make sure it's level, so make sure your knots are together. Then you want to grab the last 2 strings that are not tied together and tie those 2 together. So again, boom. So now we have something like a little daisy chain. We can open it up. Then you want to do this 1 more time. So grab 2 strings that are next to each other, bring them together, tie them, and pull, just like that. 1 more, or not 1 more, again. 2 together from 2 separate knots, tie them, and pull. And then the final one, 2 together, tie it, and pull. Then once you have the whole piece tied up, you're going to grab the ends, tie a big knot, and pull that all the way down so that it's after all the other knots. Just pull. You have your macrame pot holder done and completed. You're gonna open it up. You're gonna pull the knots, open it up till it looks something like that. Then you're going to get your pot, stick it inside, pull the strings above it, and boom, you have a little pot holder, just like that. Whoa, it's so cute. All right, well, thanks for tuning in, and thank you for following along with this mini macrame class. Have a wonderful day.